In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Gmail with Asana so you can turn emails into tasks, assign work instantly, and manage everything directly in your inbox, which is perfect for productivity, teams, and project management. Let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is to want to make sure that your account for both Gmail and Asana are ready. Once you're logged into your Asana, click the Open in Browser and this will forward you to your main dashboard. For you to be able to connect Gmail with Asana, I want you to hover to the bottom left corner where you can see your profile icon and click the settings. Now on the tabs, I want you to click the apps and then search Gmail add-on. Remember earlier I asked you to make your accounts ready because if you click the connect button, what will happen is it would ask you to install. And this will require you to choose the account. Okay, so just click the Gmail account that you wanted to connect to Asana, and basically that's how you connect these platforms. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.